Come down here. It's Mommy.
It's Eli.
Is the floor finished?
Yeah.
Hey everybody, I'm excited to redo the floors in this master bathroom. It is just a project I've been wanting to do just to create kind of a place for us to rest and relax. And when we walk in, it's just refreshment instead of outdated. Let's rip this floor out and we're gonna put in some really nice hexagon floor tile. Take out this vinyl flooring. It is actually on top of another floor that we discovered, but this was here when we moved in. Out and then putting all new floor tile. Well, this whole bathroom is gonna get a total transformation and I am excited. Go in here. All right, this morning I am dry fitting the tile to see kind of what ones I need to cut. I know I need to cut that. So what I'll do is just do as much as I can and then I'll mortar those and then dry fit as I go. So right here, I'm just putting 1/8 inch spacers. I like that. And for the size of tile, it works. Status, I've started cutting the tile. It's kind of drying out to go in the places. And here's the towel. Here's my cuts lined up and I'm just sitting in the shower. That's not done, but it just sprays me down low. Here I am. our own mural artist by Eli. Hi. Rudy's just laying down right here. And he went right on my foot. So. Come down here. It's Mommy.
It's Eli.
Is the floor finished?
Yeah.
And does it look good?
Yeah.
Did I do a good job?
Yep.
Yep. What's next?
The ceiling.
The ceiling, no. Do we want our vanity back?
Yeah.
I love you.
Are you so?
Tell them the floor's finished.
The fourth place.
Here is the finished floor. I'm really happy with just how it came out. I'm really excited just about how it came out. It took a lot of love and labor and time, but I love it. It brightens up the space. I can't wait for the rest of the bathroom to be finished and we can show you the transformation. So hopefully you enjoyed this hexagon faux marble porcelain tile. I feel like this space is turning into a place for us to truly relax when we enter the room, and I can't wait to take you along and show you the other updates we've been making.